गाडयो सेफ उरतात आनी सुवात बरी आसता म्हूण लोक जीएमसी, म्हापशेचे आवजिलो, सांखळे आनी फोंडेचे सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलांचे सुवातेर गाडयो पार्क करतात. मात आतां ह्या सुवातींनी गाडयो पार्क करतल्यांक पार्किंग फी लागू. सरकार रोखडेच टेंडर काडपाचो आसा.
One is district hospital Mapsa, one is Ponda and Goa Medical College. Sakri muddam karta hu kidyak go and see when you are passing Sakri full of motorcycles of outsiders. It becomes a problem. Then you can't take out an ambulance out of the hospital. Motorcycle vartat na. ते सगळे आम्ही ज्या तरेन आतां पाटो केला न्ही, इट इज 10 rupees for 4 hours or something. लोक भायले लोक येवन गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान गाडयो पार्क करून वयतात आनी म्हणून खंय ना खंय ते कंट्रोल हाडपाक ते खंय ना खंय चार्जिंग करचेच पडटलें न्ही.
But then there are
It is not, no, it is, see, we'll price it very, if a patient is there, patient is a different thing, but you go and see the number of people who are parking cars and going to Bombay, Delhi and all and leaving the cars in the premises of Goa Medical College, that cannot be entertained. मडगांव वयता सकाळी साखळीच्या हॉस्पिटलान लोक कामाक वयता आनी फूल भरल्या सगळे मोटरसायकल आनी गाडयो अशें. दिस इज अ हॉस्पिटल. This is not meant for somebody to do their keep their private cars and go to Bombay and come back and then take the car from Bambolim and then go. That is not on. That's not happening.
So by when you all want to put this system in place?
They have to. We are following the EDC tender. EDC has come out with the tender, so same will be applicable in all the district hospitals and everything.
Bureau report, Prudent.